What is the purpose of an evaporator coil? Its purpose is to absorb heat from indoor air so an air conditioner or heat pump can cool the building. The evaporator coil is the part of the cooling system usually located inside or near the indoor air handler. Cold refrigerant flows through the coil, and warm indoor air passes over its metal fins. Heat moves from the air into the refrigerant, making the air cooler before a blower sends it back through the rooms. As the air cools, moisture can collect on the coil, just like water forms on a cold glass. That moisture drips into a drain pan and leaves through a condensate drain, which also lowers indoor humidity. The refrigerant does not simply become cold by magic. It changes pressure and state as it moves through the system, allowing it to absorb heat efficiently. A useful detail many people miss is that a dirty coil can reduce airflow, raise energy use, and cause the system to freeze even when the refrigerant level is correct. Keeping the filter clean and arranging professional coil cleaning when needed helps the system cool properly and last longer. One common mistake is thinking the evaporator coil produces cold air, when it actually removes heat, so the tip is to picture heat leaving the room and entering the refrigerant. Another mistake is ignoring a clogged air filter, which can starve the coil of airflow and cause ice, so replace the filter on the schedule recommended for your home. People also often assume every frozen coil needs more refrigerant, but restricted airflow, blocked drains, or a dirty coil can cause the same symptom, so have the full system checked before adding refrigerant. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.